Hey, bhai. So many calculations that you have to keep running in your mind. No point of having these pants, dude. Oh, it's been pouring, dude. I purposely took my bike out because it's been a while in these rains. I've not been riding the bike. Man, the water has started seeping into my shoes. But damn, I regret coming out in the rains with my bike. Actually, the reason that I got my bike out today specifically is because since the last week I've been riding this Bajaj ka Freedom 125, which is why I haven't been riding this bike. And it had been a week, and I very recently had gone through the trauma of draining the battery and push starting this bike and all of that jazz, and I very recently got it recharged, so I did not want to mess with the battery again. नहीं करना है भाई धक्का स्टार्ट मेरे को वापस.
मैं तो टूट गया.
Which is why I thought कि चल ठीक है, despite of it raining, I'll just get the bike out, the GT out. बाकी yesterday it was pouring even more, so yesterday I chickened out and took my car out instead. But today I was like, nope, I need to get this done. And in the morning it did start up quickly with the push start, but not the push start, the electric start. But there was a bit of a hiccup when it started, so I was like, whoa, that was close. Had I not started it up for 2 more days, things would have been different. And I know you must be saying ki, arey, you could have just give it a start through the week, in the middle of the week, and then let it run for a while so that the battery recharges. But that doesn't work with this one. I have to take it out for a spin, only then will the batteries properly charge themselves. So yeah, Royal Enfields need to be pampered, guys. There's no 2 ways about it. But once you pamper them well, they make it all worth it. Water has seeped into my raincoat. Goddamn. This is a 2-year-old, not 2-year-old, 1-year-old in fact. I bought it last year. This is a 1-year-old Decathlon ka jacket, and it's not working. Actually, Decathlon doesn't make riding gear. I mean, the riding rain gear. They just make rain gear, which you can use for hiking and stuff. But I don't know why I felt like this will, I don't know, save me from the rains on the bike. But clearly it isn't. There's water inside through here, the stitching and the zip. Oh well, I'm gonna have a fun time at work because the AC is in full blast and I'm right underneath it. So God save me.
In nomine Patris et Spiritus Sancti.
Water has also properly started going into my shoes as well. So I'm probably for the day. Hey bhai, are you whacking my helmet, dude? Yeah, so I was talking about the shoes. The water is properly seeping into this passage. So this, I understand, is a ergonomic design for people to be able to raise their ankle a bit. But the problem is that in the rains the water has easy access. Can't really call it a design flaw, but it is. Why did I switch this bike off? What the f is wrong with you, Anurag? I just realized that I shouldn't have done that.
Are you mad or what?
The Skoda Octavia, man, it's been a while, dude. I've seen this. Look at that. Although I'm not gonna lie, there's one ick that I have with this car now, and it's since the 2611. You probably may have understood what I'm talking about. On 2611, this monster called Kasab hijacked one Skoda Octavia and was driving towards I don't know where, and then he was caught on the way and killed. Not killed, he was caught. Yeah. Since then, this car, every time I see this car, it reminds me of him, dude. I'm sorry Skoda, I'm sorry Octavia, and I'm sorry all of the owners, but this just happens, dude. Especially the silver one तो feels like अरे ये सामने ही है अभी मेरे, इसको अभी मैं गोली डालूंगा, पैरासिटामोल की गोली, obviously. Imagica, ये देखो Imagica.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
How do I even fall for it every time? Because last time also I rode on the same way and there was one guy splashing water on me. अरे इधर तो प्रॉपर लद्दाख बन चुका है भाई. I'll take it slow. Look at that. Wow. Once एक मानसून के ब्लॉग में एक तो ऐसा राइड बनता है भाई, पानी वाला राइड.
Here too much raining. तो मैं आपसे कुछ मांग सकता हूँ सचमुच में? अब मैं मांगूंगा और आप मानेंगे नहीं तो? मानेंगे, लेकिन अगर करेंगे नहीं तो? पक्का करेंगे?
Hello there.
I don't know if he's a subscriber, but seems to appreciate me for some reason. Bye. अरे, not my subscriber.
अपने साथ मत जोड़िए हमको.
Because the soaking wet.
ये लड़का बहुत ही मेहनत कर रहा है. प्लीज इस वीडियो को वायरल कर दो.
Hey, the Toyota Hilux, right? Very nice. Look at those pops and cracks.
This part of my life, this little part, is called happiness.
That last twist was a very nice one. Good morning. The only good things about proper pouring rain is that your bike remains clean by the end of the ride. I mean, once it dries out, obviously it'll look a little dirtier, but at least while it's wet, it's nice. Oh, that sounded very wrong. Bye bye.
Later that day.
Thank you. Oh, what a day. It feels so good leaving early from work, dude. It is what? 4:30 in the evening. Hey, Desi Doberman. Damn. Isn't that the autobiography? Beautiful, no? Oh, that's Kabir Khan. That is why.
भाई पैसा हो तो क्या कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
Hey, Angalin 450. Hanley Black. Looks very nice, huh? Royal Enfield has improved so much in terms of design itself. Like every other bike. I mean, design and looks is completely subjective. But for me personally, every bike that Royal Enfield has been churning out, they're very good in terms of aesthetics. And be it the retro classics or the modern retros as well. Like I absolutely love the new Guerrilla that has just launched. It looks beautiful. The tank is again a little polarizing, but I myself personally love the design. So is with the Hunter. I've been simping on the Hunter left, right and center. Now the Guerrilla is going to take that place, I'm very sure, because it's very aesthetic, dude. It's like a proper roadster. Looks very nice. And if you once you start modifying it, once you start customizing it for your taste, it is going to come out really well. So is the Super Meteor, so is the Shotgun also for that matter. Himalayan is in its own league. Such beautiful looking motorcycles. Damn, that's a beautiful pastel grey color, dude.
किसी एक का तो हो रहा.
I have to also look back at the mirror to make sure now no one is running me over from behind. Things you do. So many calculations that you have to keep running in your mind and save yourself from disgusting water. Isn't this the hump that I went over the other day? Roadness? No, that was quite a milder one. Lavanya? What would one route write Lavanya on its rickshaw? Lavanya? Oh, Lavanya. Oh god. Oh fucking hell. What is wrong with you, dude?
How dare you?
Oh man, that thing wrote Lavanya. It's not Lavanya. You.
मला जाऊ द्या ना घरी.
Oh god. Oh, my stomach started hurting. But then how you? But in my defense, you would spell Lavanya the same.
बराबर ही तो है.
Lavanya. Lavanya.
बराबर ही तो नहीं है.
Emphasis on the nya. I should get a life, man.
तुम कभी नहीं सुधरोगे.
लुका छुपी बहुत हुई सामने आ जाना.
The full-blown, completely purely developed version of my beloved Ramesh Charan is finally here. Guys, these are the potholes in their fully developed forms. Look at them. Look at that. Look at the depth. Look at the menace. Look at the girth. And look at the goddamn size of these. Look at that. It's a mega one, that one.
Hello there.
He called out my name.
Bonus.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara